Good morning, EDUA 6378. Welcome to our Andragogy Approaches for Educational Technology. Andragogy. Andragogy is the method and practice of teaching adult learners or adult education. We often hear a lot about pedagogy, which is best practices for teaching young children or K-12 learners. What we know is as humans develop, the way we learn changes. And also the best teaching practices and how we motivate learners differs according to our stage of development. And so when you hear the word pedagogy, pedagogy is only referring to K-12 education. We don't apply pedagogy to teachers, for instance, working in a K-12 school, because teachers learn differently from K-12 students. And I think sometimes this is often lacking in our training in graduate school. Many don't have a cognitive science background. And so the science behind how we motivate learners changes based on your age and your preferences and experiences. So I would like to start off this week by reflecting on your adult learning experiences, whether that is here at the university or during training, perhaps in your work role. What are some good and bad examples of training experiences? Reflect on what you remember about learning as an adult. And so we'll start that. We're actually going to start a discussion board with a discussion board post this week. So you will click on the discussion board post and describe good and bad examples. Feel free to respond to appear. And then we're going to talk about what adult learning theory is. I have a very good video. I think it's important. I like the way that it's set up because it's important to know that a lot of training is really bad especially with training with teachers as it relates to education technology. So there is a short video on 6 assumptions of adult learners that I'd like for you to view. After watching that video, then you will read a few articles on adult learning. So I've added these here as well. And then you're going to participate in an adult learning activity. We will have our Twitter chat this Sunday at 8 p.m. on Twitter. We will be using the hashtag SRSULearns. So I will be posting instructions about this later on in the week, but what you can do to prepare beyond creating your blog resource is to prepare an answer to the question that you formulated. Your answer should be 140 characters or less, and it should just be a response to your question. What is the answer to your question? What is your thoughts? You're also going to be participating as an adult learner this week using social media. So I think once you participate in the Twitter chat, I think you'll understand a little bit more about Andragogy and how we can use newer tools to facilitate learning. And then following the chat, I would like for you to participate in the blog assignment this week, which is on adult learning. You will create and publish a blog resource on improving adult learning in education technology, which is very much needed. And so you'll create your blog post and provide a peer review after following our chat next week. All right, we only have 2 modules remaining after this week, so time is going by quickly. I'll try to post your grades soon and be looking for the Twitter follow-up to prepare for the Twitter chat on Sunday